Here we start with Vajrasana or any other comfortable position for you. Tilt your tailbone inward and make a complete prolonged exhalation. Raise up your hands, interlock your fingers and straighten your elbows. Inhale and try to reach your ears with your shoulders. Exhale and push your shoulders down as low as possible. And several times more here. Close your eyes and connect your movements to your breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Then release your hands and several times rotate shoulders back and forth. Halfway inhale, halfway exhale. And from here we're gonna shake our shoulders up and down. Try to do it faster and connect this movement to a complete intensive exhalation. Hold your knees and roll your spine, chin is drawn closer to your chest bone. Inhale, arch your back and open your chest. Exhale again, roll down. Stay here for a moment. Stretch your spine and then come back to the center. Bring your palms together to Namaste. Connect to your breathing. Invite your body to this practice. Take the decision to move consciously. Feel your center. Inhale and rise up your palms, elbows together, and from here we draw as high as possible. Then we exhale and move our hands back to the heart and push the palms. Inhale, hands up, exhale, hands back. Continue here. Push your palms, feel your shoulder blades, and when your hands are going up, control your shoulders. Push them down, push them away from your ears, and try to move your elbows and palms as far away from your face as possible. Take a deep breath with palms up. Feel your shoulders, involve your muscles. Then release your hands and go to a cow cat position. Fingertips are pressing the floor and we will make several push-ups. Elbows are going inward. When you go down, you inhale, and when you press the floor and come back, you exhale. Keep the angle between your forearms and arms 90 degrees. Tilt your pelvis. Always move your navel inward. And then we add the second part of this movement. Exhale up, inhale elbows down. Exhale up, inhale chaturanga. Exhale back. And continue here. When your elbows are lying down, make the distance between them shorter than the distance between your palms. Then stretch your hands, lay down your chest and relax here. You can exhale through your mouth. Take a moment, find time for yourself. Then we come back and put our palms wider and 10 more push-ups. But here elbows are going outside, outward. We feel our interscapular area, and we always connect our movements with our breath. Inhale down, exhale, push the floor. Once you've finished, make several cycles with your chest. Halfway breathe in and halfway breathe out. And change the direction. Feel your whole spine. Feel your strong palms and hands. Then prepare yourself to lay down into Ashtanga Namaskar. If it's uncomfortable here, go to the previous back bend position. Take your time here, relax, exhale through your mouth, move your weight to your shoulders. There is no pain in your chin or in your neck. Breathe, relax your stomach, relax your pelvis. Exhale and draw to a child position. Roll your wrists several times if you want. Take your time here. Breathe. Feel the movements of your body. Feel how your belly pushes your hips. Exhale twice longer than the inhale. And from here, palms down and downward facing dog. Push your hips up. Extend your spine. You can walk your dog a bit. You can twist your spine. Take a full breath here and roll your spine. Shoulders are going closer to the ears, and then once we exhale, we fall down. We are sinking deeper into the pose. We are moving our shoulders away from our ears. And several times more. Move your shoulder blades, move your shoulders. Inhale, roll your spine, exhale, draw deeper to the downward facing dog. Then we will alternate the downward facing dog with a cow-cat position but with knees up. Exhale, dog. Inhale, you move your shin bones parallel to the floor but knees are not lying down. And several times more here. Connect your movement with your breathing. And then remain in a cow position with knees up for 3 full breathings. Here, nothing changes and you just straighten your right leg. Come back and change. Straighten your left leg. And one more time, remember that knees are not on the floor. Okay, put your knees down and several times inhale and arch your back, starting with the tailbone. Exhale and roll your spine, also starting with the tailbone tilt. Close your eyes, feel your movement. Try to make it slow, try to make it as fluent as possible. Inhale and exhale. Head is moving the last. Then we're gonna speed up a bit. Exhale, draw to a downward facing dog. We will make 2 vinyasa cycles. Inhale, plank position. Exhale, chaturanga. You can stay on your knees if you need to. Inhale, upward facing dog. Push the palms. Take a look at your right heel and then take a look at your left heel. Exhale, downward facing dog. Relax your head, relax your neck. Heels are going outward, big toes inward. Relax here. Feel how your tailbone is going up. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Roll your shoulders outward. Relax your head. Push the floor with your fingertips. Stay here. You can bend your knees if you need. Then step forward, cross your legs and take a sit down. straighten your legs and we go to Dandasana position. Keep your foot engaged. Press your palms into the floor and try to keep your spine straight. If you need, you can bend your knees. And several rotations with our foot. Flex your right leg and then bring it back. One more movement here, and then we leave our feet closer to the pubic bone, for we could prepare for Janu Shirshasana. Keep your left leg right in the middle of the body, spine straight, and lay down. Inhale, bend your left knee, arch your back and take a look upward. Exhale and lay down again. Try to push with your stomach into your left hip. With the next inhalation, come back and change your legs. Feet goes closer to the pubic bone. Hold your right leg wherever you can. Connect your stomach with the hip and lay down. Remember that our goal is to connect the stomach with the hip, not the head with the knee. It's like a consequence. Inhale and go back to center. Cross your legs and go back to a cow-cat position. From here, our left elbow is lying down, and with the right leg we are gonna make 10 hip rotations, 5 in one direction and 5 in the other. Try to make it as wide as possible and feel your joint. Keep your feet engaged. Connect your movement with your breathing. Come back and then change your legs. Straighten your left leg. Put your right elbow down and 10 hip rotations. Halfway inhale and halfway exhale. Once you've finished, go to a downward facing dog. Fix your palms to the floor, then cross your legs, come forward and take a seat position. We will go to Gomukhasana. Stack your right knee right over your left knee. You may leave your left leg straight, but if it's possible, bend it and keep your heels closer to the buttocks. Please check here that you are sitting on both your buttocks. Cross your hands in front of your face. The left hand is lower than the right. From here we inhale and rise up our hands, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale and go down, and one more time. Inhale, up, open our chests. Exhale, go down. Stay here for a while. Relax and move your shoulders away and down. Open your neck. Then release your hands, nothing changes in the legs, and we will change our hands position. Raise the right hand above your head and bend the elbow. Simultaneously bring the right arm behind your back and interlock both hands. Head is pressing into your right elbow. You can use a sock or a belt to accomplish this hand position if you don't reach to interlock your palms. release your hands. Take a deep breath here. Exhale and lay down onto your knees. Relax your head. Feel your hips. Come back to the center and we change our legs. Both your buttocks are grounded. Straighten your right leg if there is a need. Take several breathings here. Feel your central line and then complete the Mukrasana with your hands interlocation. The right one will be lower than the left. Once we inhale, we open our chest. Exhale, we draw down. Inhale up as high as possible. Exhale down and stay here for several moments. Take your time, take your rest. Come into your body and feel what's happening inside of you. Relax your hands. Come back to a center. And then interlock your palms behind your spine. Push the elbow with your neck, with your head. Open your chest, then release your hands and lay down on your knees. Then we are going to a sitting position. You can move a bit your legs, feel the difference between them. Make it wherever you want to feel comfortable and to relieve your legs from any tension. Palms down, bend your knees and we draw up to Purvattanasana and several push-ups. Inhale down, exhale up, hips on the one line with your chest. Bring your palms on the floor and push your pelvis far away from your palms. Stretch your hands and if it's possible, bring your knees closer to your forehead. Make sure that your lower back is lying on the floor or is always striving to lay down. Come back and vertebra by vertebra, draw down and stay here. Place your palms under your buttocks, straighten your legs and prepare yourself to Matsyasana. Inhale, slide forward, chest up, arch your back, open your chest, exhale and slide back. Try to touch the floor with your neck, but don't give the weight on your head. Comfortable, you can rise up your legs. Make sure that you are present with elbows in the floor. Come back, roll your spine, release your hands, stretch your head a bit and then lay down here. Come back to breathing and make your exhalation twice longer than your inhalation. Then we bend our knees and prepare ourselves for the bridge pose, a small bridge. You can leave your hands pressing the floor, or if it's comfortable, you can interlock your fingers. Push your hips and pelvis up, interlock your fingers and push the floor with your hands and your wrists. Press the floor with your heels and with your shoulders. Breathe. Feel that you can inhale deeply, you can exhale completely. Knees are going inward like you are trying to hold something between them. And then when you want, release your hands and slowly draw down. We will repeat one more time. If you can grab your ankles and push up your hips and your pelvis. If not, repeat the previous variation. Exhale, lay down, hug your knees and roll your body to the right and to the left. Breathe. Hold your foot with a cross lock. Bring your forehead to your knees and roll your whole spine. Inhale, exhale, and once you are ready, lay down into Shavasana. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Relax your mind. If any thoughts try to penetrate your mind, just let them go. Don't think them. Don't think them. Just let them be. And continue relaxing your body, relaxing your mind, and being into yourself.